Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about sugar. Do you ever feel like you're addicted to sugar? If you do, you're not alone. Sugar is one of the most common cravings that people have, but it's also one of the most harmful things you can put in your body. Sugar can lead to a host of health problems, including weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and even heart disease. But the good news is that by eliminating sugar from your diet, you can experience a range of benefits. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of eliminating sugar from your diet. When you eat sugar, you get a quick burst of energy, followed by a crash. By eliminating sugar, you can avoid those energy crashes and enjoy sustained energy throughout the day. This can help you stay more active and improve your overall fitness levels. Sugar can disrupt your sleep patterns, making it harder for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. By eliminating sugar, you can improve your sleep quality and wake up feeling more refreshed. This can help you be more productive and focused throughout the day. Sugar has been linked to a range of chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. By eliminating sugar, you can reduce your risk of these diseases and improve your overall health. Instead, focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods that will nourish your body and provide you with sustained energy. By eliminating sugar from your diet, you can experience a range of benefits that will improve your overall health and well-being. So why not give it a try today? Thanks for watching. We upload a video each day, so why not subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload a new video. See you in the next video.